Looking for a neighborhood that feels established, peaceful, and beautifully designed, but also gives you options?
Imagine having the choice between a spacious single-family home with a big backyard or a low-maintenance villa where the snow and lawn are all taken care of for you.
That's exactly what you'll find here in Manchester Lakes, one of Algonquin, Illinois' most thoughtfully planned communities.
Today, we're giving you the full tour, and by the end, you'll know whether Manchester Lakes is the right fit for your next chapter.
Hi, I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzie. Together with the Tamara and Ozzie team, full-time real estate experts here in Algonquin and surrounding area.
If you're new to this channel, we cover neighborhoods, market updates, and buyer and seller tips every week. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let's start with the story of Manchester Lakes. Built by Pulte Homes in the late 1990s and early 2000s, this community was designed in two parts: Manchester Lakes Estates and the Club of Manchester Lakes. Together, they create a neighborhood that blends upscale single-family living with easy, low-maintenance duplex and villa options. The common thread: scenic lakes, walking paths, and a peaceful suburban feel. Now, Pulte is a nationally recognized builder, and like any big builder, experiences can vary. Some homeowners rave about the build quality and the support, while others have had challenges. The important takeaway is always do a home inspection, even in a well-regarded neighborhood. The good news is that here in Manchester Lakes, the homes are established, the landscaping is mature, and the streetscapes are inviting.
So what are your options here? Let's break it down. In Manchester Lakes Estates, you have single-family homes built between 1999 and 2008. 234 single-family homes, 3 to 5 bedrooms each, on a quarter-of-an-acre lots, many with full finished basements or walkouts. 2 and 3 car garages. The square footage runs roughly between 2,200 and 4,800 square feet. The benefits: space, larger yards, mature landscaping, and plenty of storage. At the Club of Manchester Lakes, you'll find 120 attached duplex and villa homes built between 1999 and 2002, ranging between 1,400 and 2,000 square feet with 2 to 4 bedrooms, full basements, many unfinished, all end units for extra privacy. The benefits: lock and leap lifestyle, more time for travel, low maintenance living. This is what makes Manchester Lakes unique. You can choose the lifestyle that fits you best: space and privacy in the estates, or convenience and simplicity in the club.
Now let's talk lifestyle. Manchester Lakes is built around 6 scenic lakes, more than 100 acres of open space, and nearly 5 miles of walking and biking trails. It's the kind of neighborhood where you'll see people out walking dogs, kids riding bikes, and neighbors gathering around the ponds. There's no large clubhouse or pool here, but that's part of the appeal. HOAs are modest, and you're minutes from the Huntley Park District, Dikey Park, and Stingray Bay Aquatic Center. So you get that balance of affordability with great amenities very close by.
One of Manchester Lakes' biggest selling points is location. You're right off Algonquin Road and Squarebound Road, close to Randall Road shopping, Algonquin Commons, and all the dining and retail you could want. For commuters, you've got easy access to I-90 and nearby metro stations, with Huntley's new metro stop coming soon. Families also love this neighborhood for its access to highly regarded local schools, which is often a top priority when choosing where to live. A quick note: school boundaries and ratings can change over time. We always recommend that buyers verify directly with the school district to confirm current assignments and performance.
At the club villas and duplexes, they typically sell in the mid-300s, while single-family homes in the estates range higher depending on the size, updates, and features. Compared to nearby neighborhoods, Manchester Lakes is often more affordable than newer construction, while still giving you access to a mature, established feel. Taxes average around $6,500 in the club and closer to $8,800 in the estates, with HOA fees ranging from about $50 to $280 per month, depending on the home type.
So who's Manchester Lakes best for? If you're a family that wants space, big yards, well-regarded local schools, the single-family homes in the estates are perfect. But if you're downsizing or just don't want the hassle of lawn care and snow shoveling, the clubs, villas, and duplexes let you live a low-maintenance lifestyle without giving up privacy, since every home is an end unit. Either way, you get a community that's scenic, peaceful, and still close to everything.
Now here's the important part. Manchester Lakes might not be for everyone, but if you're considering a move to Algonquin or the Huntley area, it really deserves a spot on your list. And the best way to know if it's right for you? See it in person.
If you'd like to explore Manchester Lakes for yourself, reach out to us at the Tamara Ozzie team.
We've helped families buy and sell in this neighborhood and others, and we'd love to help you decide if it's the right next chapter for you.
And if you're not sure yet, no problem. Check out our other neighborhood tours right here on the channel.
We've covered communities all across Algonquin, Huntley, Crystal Lake, Cary, you name it around McHenry County, and we've been there. So we can help you compare and find the best fit for your lifestyle.
Don't forget to hit subscribe. Every week we post new neighborhood tours, market updates, and real buyer advice. Until next time, we'll see you around Manchester Lakes.